Indeed, maraming organization sa military. Mayroong Association of Generals and Flag Officers, mga star rank officers. Meron ding luwakan graduates, PMA graduates. Meron ding forum ng PMA Alumni Association. Meron ding Star Forum. Napakarami sa military. Active na active, and in all those forums, in all those social groups, social media groups, maraming graduates ng PMA dyan. Simply because, hindi naman sa sinasabi namin kami lang, but we know that to serve the land properly, we must have integrity, honesty, and the sense of public service. Kulang na lang na sabihin namin na patriot kami, na katulad din ng iba. Kaya kung nakikita namin ang malawakang korupsyon, talagang nagagalit kami. Nakatulad din ng ibang Pilipino. At ngayon sa nangyayaring ito, I think many of us will be leading their organizations to go up in protest against the corruption that we have seen.